Hi, my name is Lev Schwartz. I'm a principal engineer at EdgeXR. Today, we're going to talk about Edge Cloud's NexusAI Suite, and specifically about the managed retrieval-augmented generation services. Cloud-based LLM services such as OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini are great, but the data sovereignty and security questions come up often when they're used in enterprise space. Furthermore, sometimes you just want to control the data available to your AI assistant. And that's where the Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG for short, comes in. It enables LLMs to use authoritative sources of knowledge before generating a response. A RAG infrastructure, however, has several components that need to be deployed. There is document ingestion, vector database, embeddings generation, the LLM itself along with the AI Assistant app. And managing all of these components takes time and effort. And operational expertise, which oftentimes enterprises lack. And that's where Edge Cloud's NexusAI shines. It automates the deployment of the RAG stack and simplifies it to just several clicks. This lets you create a private and secure inference service with special knowledge over documents not available to the off-the-shelf LLMs. So let's go over the demonstration on the Edge Cloud platform. So here we are logged in as a developer, and let's create a managed RAG inference service. We're going to select a 8 billion model. 8 billion parameter model because we're going to be running on CPU only. For the document storage, we deploy MinIO for simplicity. However, this can be any type of document or data storage, such as SharePoint or Google Drive. So let's, I'm going to add the credentials for the MinIO server that we deploy. So our RAG stack knows where and how to retrieve the actual documents. So as part of this, we're going to be spinning up a Kubernetes cluster for hosting all of these services for RAG stack. I'm going to pause here and let it finish, and we're going to be back when it's up. And we're back. RAG stack has been deployed successfully. So let's take a look at our application here. So here we can see that we exposed 3 ports. The 7860 is for the chat UI, port 80 is for an API, and port 9001 is for MinIO dashboard. So let's take a look at the chatbot. So here it's a very simple chatbot, and we can ask some questions. Let's ask a question about a fictional company that doesn't exist. So this is a CPU-only inference, and as a result, it is a little slow. But here it tells us that it doesn't know. Well, what if we decided to have specific data about this company? I have a document over here which describes what company, this fictional company, Uber EdgeXR, does. And let's add this knowledge to our LLM. Let's go to the MinIO. So here we have a bucket called PDFs, and I'm going to drop this file that we just looked at into this bucket. And now let's ask our assistant exactly the same question. Now, with the new knowledge that we passed in through this document, it knows that Uber EdgeXR is a company that specializes in AI-powered cat food delivery. Seems to be like a trending company right now. Now, let's say we dissolve this company, and now we want our our assistant to forget that this company ever existed. Let's just delete this file from the bucket. And let's see if our assistant still remembers what this company is all about. As you can see, it completely forgot what Uber Edge XR is. So let's take a look at all of the key takeaways here. Edge Cloud and the NexusAI Suite allows you to be able to simply and flexibly deploy your RAG stack onto Edge Cloud platform. And in addition to that, you have the privacy. You own your documents and the inference services associated with it. Also, deploying via Edge Cloud platform, you get to deploy RAG closer to the users to further minimize the latency. And that's where the edge-powered performance comes from. So again, thank you very much for watching this, and feel free to reach out to us at edgexr.net for more information.